There once was a preschool class who loved to play and learn, but their favorite time was nap time. The only problem was that they all snored very loudly. The grumpy teacher shouted, "Stop snoring, children!" One child tried sleeping in the library, but that didn't work.
Louder.
Stop snoring, Timothy!
Another child tried sleeping in the house corner, but that didn't work.
Stop snoring, Brayden!
A different child tried sleeping in the block center, but that didn't work.
Stop snoring, Emma!
Isaiah finally found a quiet and cozy spot to take a nap. His friends didn't know where he was.
Where's Isaiah? Where's Isaiah?
Carter checked the cozy cube.
I thought you were looking for me.
We missed you.
We missed you.
After that, the class snapped happily. Well, almost everyone.
Stop snoring!